Good morning. So it is Christmas morning. Looky what the girl got. I'm about to open this little card that come in there from the hubby, of course. Ooh, child. Into who? Let's undo this. Let's just see this girl. You know what? Let me slide it out, y'all. I ain't got time for all that, honey. I don't have time for a formal unboxing, y'all. It's really not that serious. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. We got the card here. The envelope. What's in this envelope? If I get it the right way, right, y'all? Got it upside down. So, let's open it up. Very informal, y'all. Very informal. It's really not that serious. Y'all see that? You will see that? My husband's so sweet, y'all. He really does spoil you, girl, though. He really, really does. Let's see. We just got all that mess. Who cares? And here we go. Let's open it up, dog. I already told him, thank you, Abby. Y'all been wanting this for a while, so he hooked your girl up. So here we go, a Speedy 35. And I'll come back a little bit later, y'all, and talk about it. Because I'm about to take a nap. But anyway, I wanted y'all to see what I got. First thing, I wanted to share it with y'all before I really share it with anybody. But yeah, let me go ahead and fill her up. And I will let y'all see her later. Loving it, honey. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Yes.